Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about f-string. I'm sure most of you have used f-string in your Python experience, but I feel like there are some uncovered corners. I'm going to try and cover those. Let's first start with the most common one, which is limiting the number of decimal places. So here I have already imported pi. Let me go ahead and print it without f-string. So pi, here you see it's such a long number, but if you want to limit the number of decimal places with f-string, it's quite easy to do. I'm going to do print f pi colon dot to f. So this will limit the number of decimal places to 2, rounded to 2 decimal places. And there you have it. That's quite easy. Another thing you can do besides precision is formatting. For example, you can format date if you like. Let's say you have a date now. So from datetime, import datetime. And then let's have now is datetime.now, right? Let's print this. So here you can see that it's formatted in such a way that it shows the year, the month, and the date, and then hour, minute, second, and so on, right? So, but if you want to format this, the easiest way to do it is using f-string. Now, colon, then here I'll do my formatting. So instead here I'll do ddmmyy, so that's date first, hour, and m. All right. Here I missed another slash. Let's print this out. Now you can see we have it formatted day, month, year, and time. Another one is expression. You can do, for example, if you have x is 10 and y is 11, you can do print f x plus y. This will just print out 21. But if you want to do a better job of displaying it in a much more neat way, you can do add equals. Very easy but super efficient. The next one is doing conditional set. I have imported random just to save time. We're generating a random number from 1 to 100. Now we want to decide whether this number is odd or even. The easiest way you can do it is using f-string. Say here num is even if num modulo 2 is 0, else it's odd. Here I missed if. Yeah, it's a 74 even, 97 is odd. Perfect. Next one is aligning and padding. So here what we're looking for is to have a 5-digit number, but if that number happens to be, for example, only 1, it will pad the remaining with zeros. So here, if I change, for example, 5 to 11, this number will be padded with 3 zeros. And if it grows to 112, then 2 zeros. So basically, we're telling here, take this number and target number of digits is 5. Whatever missing space we have, pad it with 0. So this is 0 padding. Another one is, so let me just comment this out for now, or I'll just keep it going. The next one is aligning. You can align your text left, center, and right. Let's say we have a text that says left, and we want to align this to the left. I'm going to copy this. So change to center. So center is caret. Change this to caret. And then this one is right. So when we print out, we see that right is right aligned, center is centered, and left obviously is aligned to left. Another one is you can use a lambda function within your print statement. So here I have a name James, getting the length of it and printing out how many characters it has. Number of characters in James is 5. It's not recommended, so I would avoid using it. I just want to show you that it's doable using F string. And I hope you learned something new. Thank you.